How to change font size in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the font size. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now here again, select on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. So here on the top, you'll be able to see a section of font size. So simply tap on it. So it's automatically kept to 14. Now you can change the font size to whichever you like. Simply tap on the font size and later tap on save. And if you go back, it will be automatically saved for later. Now if you go back, the font size has been completely changed and it will be bigger. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.